Hi boys and girls. Today we are learning about line plots. This is a new unit and we're talking about graphing, and in 5th grade what we use is line plots, and we also use stem and leaf. So today we're just going to focus on the line plot. So I have an example here on my board. Okay, this is the X's are representing the number of students, and this is a graph that shows the number of problems that were answered correctly on a test. Okay, so there were 3 students that answered 20 of the problems correctly. There were 2 students that answered 21. There were 4 that answered 22. There were 5 that answered 23, 4 that answered 24, and then 2 students answered 25 of the problems correctly on a test. So this is just a way to kind of put our information together so that it is nice and organized. Okay, so we can create our own line plot. If you have information such as this that you would like to kind of just organize a little bit, say that you're on a baseball team and you're keeping track of how many people are scoring home runs, and by the end of the year you realize that there are 3 people that scored 5 home runs, and then there are 3 people that scored 6 home runs, and then 1 person made 7, 1 made 8, 1 made 9, 2 of them made 10, and then 1 person made 12 home runs. We could put this information on a line plot. Okay, the lowest number was 5, the highest number is 12. So we start with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We have to put all numbers down on the line plot. Okay, starting with the smallest and ending with the largest. And then in this case, our X's would represent the number of people that made a home run throughout the year. So there were 3 that scored 5 home runs, 3 for 6, 1 for 7, 1 for 8, 1 for 9, 2 for 10. No one scored 11, so we're just going to leave that blank. And then 1 person scored 12. And this is just a good way to kind of keep our numbers organized. We can look at it, we could say, okay, well, without even really doing any math, you can see that most of the kids scored either 5 or 6 home runs as opposed to any other number.